Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you how to convert Google Docs to Microsoft Word step by step. Converting Docs to Word is useful when sharing files, submitting documents, or working offline. This full guide for 2026 will cover all the correct and easy methods. First, go to docs.google.com and open the document you want to convert to Word. Scroll through the document and make sure formatting, images, and spacing look correct. The easiest method is downloading the file directly as a Word document. Click File, then Download, and choose Microsoft Word.docx. Google Docs will instantly convert and download the file. Open the downloaded Word file in Microsoft Word or any compatible app. Check headings, fonts, images, tables, and page breaks. Minor adjustments may be needed. You can also convert Google Docs to Word when sharing. Click File, then Email, and choose Email this file. Select Microsoft Word as the format before sending. For best results, adjust page setup before converting. Go to File, then Page Setup, and check margins, orientation, and paper size. If you're using a phone, open the Google Docs app and your document. Tap the three-dot menu, choose Share and Export, then tap Save as Word. If the Word file looks different, check fonts, spacing, and tables. Replacing special fonts or resizing images usually fixes the problem. Once everything looks good, save the Word file properly. You can now share it by email, upload it, or edit it offline. And yeah, that's how to convert Google Docs to Word step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.